Hello, boys and girls. I'm Miss Harrington, and today is an exciting day because we get to start cursive handwriting. So I'm going to go ahead and get my handwriting booklet ready if you want to get yours also, and I will share my screen with you. Okay, there we go. So we're going to start with part one, and part one is helicopter letters. These letters begin on the baseline, which is the bottom, touch the middle line, except for T, which goes halfway between the middle and the top line, and scoop down. When forming these letters, you can think of the way a helicopter moves. A helicopter takes off straight up into the air and can make scoops and swoops as it flies. Okay, so the first letter that we're going to start with today is the letter I. Okay, so at the top of your handwriting booklet, you can see the manuscript print I, and you can see the cursive I, and I stands for igloo. So we're going to start off by tracing our letter I. Bring this down a little bit so you can see it clearly. Okay, so for step one, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start down on the baseline, go up to the middle line, come back down and scoop up and dot it. All right, so let's trace those. Up, down, scoop up, and dot. Up, down, scoop up, and dot. All right, try the rest of those by tracing and make sure it looks like the big picture of the eye. And the reason they have that scoop is because you will need that when you start connecting your I to other letters to form words. Okay, so on the next part, they want us to trace and write. So we have one more step of tracing I. So start at your baseline, go up to the middle line, come down, touch the baseline, scoop up, and dot your I. Up, down, scoop, and dot. Say that with me. Up, down, scoop, and dot. Check to make sure you are spacing. Up, down, scoop, up, and dot. Okay, we're going to trace the next row. Make sure you're not going past that middle line. And you can see that scoop will lead into forming another letter whenever you begin writing words in cursive. Okay, and the last trace on that line. So on the next line, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to write your own eyes and just write directly below the one that's above it. Okay, so we're going to start at the baseline, scoop up, come down, and dot your I. Okay, up, down, scoop up, and dot. Up, down, scoop up, and dot it. Up, down, scoop up, and dot it. All right, let's try one more on our own. Okay, and then we have one more line to trace. Okay, do your best. I think you're going to really enjoy cursive, especially once you start writing words. It's a lot quicker because your pencil stays down on the paper and you don't have to pick it up as often. Okay, up, down, scoop up, and dot. All right, and that is letter I for igloo. So I'll show you what it looks like when you form a word. There's my I, come down. I'm going to scoop up and go into a G to form my letters to write the word igloo. Okay, All right, well, have a great day, and I will see you again tomorrow for the next letter. Okay.